Let's go outside. The snow is falling.
Guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Guess what's happening very soon? Yes, you're right. We are in that season, in that period of the year. So everything will be very happy, and to be even happier, we are going to prepare something great to drink. It's a specialty for Christmas time. So let's go together because we are going to make it keto.
All I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
Today we are going to use 5 egg yolks, 50 grams of erythritol, 500 milliliters, half a liter of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, then 250 milliliters of heavy cream, a little nutmeg, as much as you want, and cinnamon. So more or less like a teaspoon, but you can use as much as you like. Then of course there is a forgotten ingredient that we will see later, and also one ingredient that I decide not to use, the dark rum, because I want to have an alcohol-free drink that everybody can drink. But let's start the preparation by whipping our yolks together with the erythritol. This is the exact moment when I decided that doing this by hand was too hard, so I took an electric mixer. And this is the result, much better. The yolks must become lighter and fluffier. That's the perfect consistency. So let's whip with the electric mixer, a good helper in the kitchen. And now it's the moment to warm our almond milk, the unsweetened one, and always read the label because the carbs in this drink should be 0. In almond milk you should read 0 carbs. And then we will add the heavy cream that usually has a 3% of carbs. And I will add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon has quite a lot of carbs, but the amount is always so small that we can use it without problems for our ketosis. So I will add also grated nutmeg, and this is the moment of the disaster. The nutmeg fell inside the drink. I'm sure you can find better YouTubers than me, and I thank you for being here anyway, but I don't want to cut mistakes because in the kitchen these things happen, and it's not right to look too perfect because life is not perfect. And after the treasure hunt, here's the forgotten ingredient, some vanilla seeds. You can also use extract. This flavor will add a special touch. I really like it. While stirring, I would like to share with you something that I discovered. Eggnog, it's a typical Christmas drink in this country: Great Britain, United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Malta and Luxembourg. Do you have any drink for Christmas in your country? Please share it if it's keto, of course, and if it's delicious and easy to prepare. This one is truly great. I love eggnog, especially alcohol-free, because we can enjoy it all together. And after letting our mix cool down a little bit, we can add little by little to our yolks. It's important to wait because we don't want to create scrambled eggs, so the mix shouldn't be too hot. And always stirring, because the eggs will not condensate, will not become hard if you stir. Sorry for my English. If you stir vigorously.
kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
And now you have two options. You can warm this up if you want an eggnog that is a little bit more dense, so you can cook all together at a low heat because of that problem of scrambled eggs. Or you can put this in the refrigerator. After doing that, you must wait all night long and then drink this on the day after. But I'm too curious because this is my first eggnog, so I will prepare a cup for me now that is warm, and then we will have the rest tomorrow. I will let you know which is my favorite while walking through a Stockholm that is wonderful at Christmas time. So after my goodbye, go on watching the video so you will see all the Christmas decoration here in Sweden. Don't miss them.
Quirky as mine. We're holding hands.
I really hope you like today's recipe, and as a Christmas present you will consider subscribing to my channel. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time for another ketogenic video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video but in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. Have fun and enjoy this beautiful period of the year.
Give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Hey guys, from Barbara. Oops, I'm a little bit shy, there are a lot of people watching me. But anyway, I'm downtown Stockholm, so I will show you some Christmas windows as I promised you. I hope you will like them. They are really nice, beautiful, happy, and we all need some happiness in this period.
And after watching together these beautiful windows, it's so cold that it's time to go inside. So I will show you better the Christmas tree from top to bottom. And on the bottom, I will show you also the white Swedish Santa. It's beautiful, it's sweet, and the kids are very excited. Me too, I don't know why, I'm not a kid definitely. But it's also time to tell you which kind of eggnog was my favorite. After trying this, my favorite, being Stockholm, a very cold city, dark, and it's winter time here, I like a warm eggnog, so next time I will drink it immediately. But if you are in Australia, for example, and it's summertime, maybe it's better on the day after all the night in the refrigerator. You choose, but I highly recommend to try it both way, the warm one and the cold one.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas,